Hello and welcome once again to my 11 plus maths problem solving sessions. Um, the question I picked today is Tilly decides to count using a clock. So she starts counting from 1 in the normal way. So she has 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. When she gets to 12, the count goes back to 1. So she counts 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and then 1, 2, 3. So this is working kind of like a 24-hour clock. So instead of saying 24 hours, so like when it is, for example, 13, it means 1 o'clock. So 13 minus 12 is 1. So 1 o'clock, and 14 is 2 o'clock. 15 is 3 o'clock, 16 is 4 o'clock, and so on. So I think you get the idea. So that's what they're doing here, is nothing else. So for example, and then they do some operations on those numbers. So they're saying to us that 4 plus 9 is 1. So 4 plus 9 is 13, and that is equal to 1 o'clock. 10 plus 5 is 3. That is 15, is 3 o'clock, and 3 times 5 is 15, that is also 3 o'clock, because 15 minus 12, if you think of it as a 24-hour clock, 15 hours is 3 o'clock. So that's the way it's going on. So then 12, then they're doing multiplication, so 2 times 13, so that will be a little bit, once it is beyond 24, it will work out a bit differently. So I'll go through it with you. So 2 times 13 is 26. Now here, what we have to do is to divide by 12. And we have to see what is the remainder. Is it exactly divisible by 12? If the number is divisible by 12, it means it is 12 o'clock, midnight or afternoon, 12 o'clock. So it's 12. If it is not divisible by 12, then we know the remainder, and that is the hour. That comes as a 12 and 26. 12 times 2 is 24. That is 2. So 2 is the answer. So that is why they have also got 2 here. So to explain the whole thing. So then let's go on to working the sums out. Here they have 3 plus 4 is 7, straightforward. 7 plus 8 is 15, that's 3. 9 plus 11 is 20, that is 8. 7 times 8 is 35. 35, if you divide by 12, you get 12 times 3. So not 35, 7 times 8 is, my mistake, 56. Sorry, what am I saying? 7 times 8 is 56. So if I do 56 and divide it by 12, so you get to 12 times 4 is 48, and 8 and 8 sixteenths. So we get 8. Again, is that correct? 7 times 8 is 56. 56 and divided by 12. 4 times 12 is 48, and we get the remainder as 8. Yes, that is correct. Next one is 99. 9 times 11 is 99. We divide by 12 again. So 99 divided by 12 is 8 times 12 is 96. And that gives us 3 remainder. So the answer here is 3. So those are the answers here. The next part of the question is about finding two numbers so that n square is m square from this. So to do that, we have to do the squares of all the numbers up to 12 and see what we get, and then the result we have to again divide by 12, get the remainder, and see if that is the square of a number. So that is how we'll go about doing that. So let's do, so 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. That is equal to 16 is 4. That is equal to 2 square. So 4 square equal to 2 square. So we can say that 4 square equal to 16. That is equal to, by the clock method, 16 is 4 and that is equal to 2 square. So we have 4 and 2. So there's another number which will also work, but we'll keep it to the next question. So that is, using this method, can you find two different numbers, p and q, such that p cube equals to q cube? So what we are going to get here is, we again, instead of doing the squares, so we have to work out the cubes of the numbers. So we are going to work out the cubes. Now we get 2 cube equals 8, 3 cube equals 27, and now that again we divide by 12, so we will get 2 remainder 3, no work, remainder is 3, so no, that gets not. 4 cube equals 64. That will give us, divided by 12. 12 times 5 is 60, and remainder is 4. No. Then 5 cube equals 125. So 125 divided by 12, we will get 10. 12 times 10 is 120, so the remainder is 5. No. Then 6 cube is 216, which can be divided by 12 exactly, and so this doesn't work. So 7 cube is equals 343. Divided by 12, if we do, we will get 28, and the remainder is 7. So 7 doesn't work for us. So let's go to 8. When we reach 8, we see 8 cube equals 512, and if we divide this number by 12, we will get 92, and the remainder is 8. So we, in our clock problem, 512 is equal to 8. That is 2 cube. So our answer here, P equals 8, Q equals 2. I hope this is correct and it answers the question. If you have different answers, or you think this is not correct, do leave a comment and I will come back to you. Thank you very much for your time. Bye.